Once upon a time, a young Mitchell decided to fly on a plane to your mom's house. And he also decided he's gonna play some Demology. Let's go. Hey, I'm just kidding. That was funny, right? Right? Say right. Say right. Say right. Say it!
Okay, we are in Demology, guys, with Atlas. Okay, wait, am I the king? Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna be playing Demology because there's a new update. I probably already said that in the intro again.
So I was kind of just yapping, so we're skipping.
It's time for a speed run, girl.
Ah, oh. Man, you're fat. Yeah, you're hiding here like a little poop. Oh my god, Atlas! Atlas! He just said you're fat! You can't let that slide.
Here's exactly what happened after. Oh, he went for the side click, he went BAM! And then BAM! And then he came for the key and BAM! 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 They're like, fight! Fight! Oh, uppercut! Dang! And then the monster comes in, swoops him down, grabs him up, puts him in a headlock, and slams his head down. He slams him against the wall and puts that body slam.
Son, are you ready? Let's go! Buddy, break your neck.
Yeah, but there's a second floor? Who just touched me? House sucks. No offense, but if I lived here, I would start breaking down, crying, because I'm so ugly. Hey, what happened? It's a child. Yeah, that's what I thought, loser. How is bro still? That's what I thought. Bro came, touched me, and then disappeared. Oh my gosh, guys. I think, guys, I think I need some eggs.